Don't you notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around? Me and you and awkward silence.
Okay, we have an interesting day today, because today is contract negotiation day. So the gym right now is inside of a hockey rink. Hopefully everyone knows that by now. And we are privately contracted, and so this past year is would be, I would say it's like a proof of concept year. We had a lot of changes inside the organization from the gym standpoint, so we took over. I wanted to prove that we could do a good job, so we had like a 1-year deal, and so we did a good job. Shout out to my team and that. And the athletes are putting in the work, and now it's time to renegotiate a longer term deal, and it'll be interesting. We're not going to obviously film the contract negotiations, but I have been prepared. I'll show you some of the crazy spreadsheets we're working with, but I got to go pick up EJ, who's going to be editing this. His car is broken, so I'm going to go grab him. Skate at 11:30, contracts. And then we have a bunch of parents that want to come in and check out the gym because they're interested in training. So just going to get all that set up and structured. It's going to be a good day. I'm very positive and optimistic about how this is going to go. We do a good job. I'm very proud of the team that we assembled, and I know that we're going. I know, Siri. I know. And we're going to, we're gonna get fair offer, and we're gonna get a long-term deal so that we can continue to develop the Fox and the TPH athletes to that highest standard and degree that everyone on the team has set. But let's go grab EJ and let's get the morning started.
You're gonna stand on one foot. I need you to dribble this 50 times each foot. I don't care how you dribble this, you can catch it every time. Fink had a good idea of literally dribbling like a basketball. Paired with that, hold that, it's not gonna stay. All right, paired with that, you're gonna do supine leg whip. So your butt has to be up off the floor, this top leg is straight, you're coming down to the side, whip it back to the top as fast as you can. Butt's gotta stay off the floor the whole time. I want you to feel stretched through your adductor. Whip it back to the top as fast as you can. 10 each side. Then you're gonna do a cartwheel, stick it, jump over the hurdle. 2 of those, yes. And then we're gonna do a stop sprint. So if me and Keimer are partners, Keimer's gonna get out of my way on the turf. Don't run into people doing the cartwheels. But I wanna try to get to full speed. So I'm gonna run full speed, Keimer tells me to stop. I have 3 steps to stop. You're gonna do 2 of those. But I want you to try to get to full speed. So don't run from me to Levi. Try to run as far as you can. Get him to stop, get him to go past 3 steps. Sound good? I need 3 sets of everything. You can start anywhere, but go in that order. Levi, put your foot on the floor. Stop. That was 5. Ready? Stop. Whoa, 2. I do.
Sets?
Sorry.
How many sets?
3. 3 sets. That was like 7. That was like 7. Yeah, you gotta react to it.
I thought you gotta get the full speed.
Oh, I'm gonna do this facing out, but you guys can do this facing in. You can do this with your arms here. I want it to rest in your shoulder cap. You can cross your arms over it, or you can go front rack like you would catch it clean. We're gonna come off here. Feet are gonna be about shoulder width apart. Make sure your elbows stay nice and tall. Sit your butt at least to your knees. Stand up from there. I need 12 reps here. Paired with that, you're gonna go 3 non-consecutive broad jumps. So jump, catch, jump, catch, jump, catch. I need 3 sets of that. Sound good? All right.
12
Get your butt to your knees. 12.
Like you level with your knees?
Yes.
So like here?
No. Yes.
Can we go this way?
Yeah. Spread your feet a little bit. So we don't want to be here. We want to be a little further out. You can point your toes, that's fine. You just want to keep your heels down on the floor. So So it sits more on the muscle of your traps than on your spine.
Does it still treat the same muscles?
For more or less, but you can load it heavier. So think about it.
I like belt squats the best.
We'll eventually get to belt squats this summer, but think about it, like all the weight's over here, so it's not over your center of gravity, but if the weight's over here, it's over your mass. All right, you're gonna do a single leg RDL. I want the weight in the same leg that's on the floor. This back leg's gonna be as straight as we can, soft knee, hinge through the hip, get at least to mid shin. This back leg is as straight as we can, hinge up. If you gotta plant your foot, stabilize yourself, that's totally fine. I need 8 here. Paired with that, you're gonna put your feet on a box or on a Crow Check's bench when he's done. I need 15 hip bridges, so heels on here. Squeeze your butt as hard as you can at the top, get your butt down to the floor. Squeeze your butt as hard as you can at the top, get down to the floor. 3 sets, 8 RDLs, 15 hip bridges.
Whatever the highest.
Keep that controlled. And you're going from these cones down to the cones where the hurdles are at. Down and back twice is 1 set. I need 3 sets. Yep, it's farmer's walk.
My cousin.
Farmer's walk.
My cousin.
Heavier, heavier. It's realistically, both of you.
Where it's like, sometimes there's like a weird little bump. We gotta balance it out.
Oh yeah.
So I don't think we need, I just think we just need a washer and then make sure that they're all. I just gotta pull this one out, yes. Should probably grab a screwdriver. TV for the athletes, so that we can display warm up, cool down for them. So we have some overlap, and then we use our data tracking things like our OBRs. When they do their jumps, their sprints, it will display their numbers. So that way we can get some nice competition here in the gym. Also, when we do seminars, it's a lot easier to have a rolling TV than it is to have ones that are fixed to the wall. No, let's go to the bottom, right? So clip it down into the upwards facing tooth and then screw it down.
Which upward facing tooth?
Let's see which way the hooks are going. Okay, so it looks like we're going this way. Okay, roll her down. See how it goes. Should be good. And get everything. I'll let you play around with it, get it set up. Contract talks, preliminary ones went well. I'm optimistic and excited, especially to be excited here long term. But time to get in a run, and I have not eaten enough, so it is time to get some carbs in. One great way for all athletes to get some quick carbs in, and if you've watched the channel for long enough, you saw when I ran a half marathon in Boston 2 years ago at the hotel, just the honey packs. So what I'd like to do, honey, shoot it straight in the mouth, some kosher salt, wash it down. So let's get after it. Salty. Really salty. I sweat a lot. I don't tolerate heat. Today is 73, but it's super humid. When I did my run yesterday, I was like dying, and I lost so much fluid, and I didn't bring water with me, so it was really dumb on my part. So for today's run, plan ahead, get a ton of sodium in, and then I'll probably carry one of those like flexible little water bottles with me so that I can at least stay hydrated as I lose like 8-ish pounds of sweat on today's run. So let that digest. Oh, my salty. Let that digest. And then we're gonna go for a run. All right, let's get this run in. 10K, zone 2. Zone 2 is a painful pace. Zone 2 is very slow. So I might jump ahead a little bit and see how it goes. Let's end it a little bit earlier.
So let's start down here and I'll explain it and then you guys can go. Same setup as last week where we're gonna stop at the far blue line, okay? So don't go past the far blue line, they're gonna take the rest of that ice. But we're gonna make a bit of a Tetris pattern. So you're gonna go down the ice, side ice, down the ice, side ice, down. So we're making like a box shape. And what we're gonna be doing is you're gonna do an explosive quick start to move. So you're gonna get like 3-4 steps in, stop. I want you stopping. So 1, 2, 3, explosive quick start, stop, drop to the knee, and then I want side, I can't do, side lateral movements, up, explosive quick start, stop with the left foot actually, knee, up, quick start. Does that make sense? Ian, you got it? I'll call it out as you go. You're alternating left and right stops, and otherwise you're just moving sideways. But you're also being up and explosive in your starts to get your heart rate up. Stop, lateral side. Up, explode. Left foot, stop. Left foot, stop. Go to the right. Yep, right, right, right. Up, explode. Right foot, stop. Side. Up. Okay.
Two hands, two hands. You got two hands, gotta use both of them. Here, stop a second, stop a second. Get your blocker hand all the way up to the top of your stick. There you go. By the way, Joey, good job, dude. Or does it make more sense for us to catch on our forehand and go here? The one that takes 7 seconds, and the one that takes maybe half a second. Half a second, right? Let's be efficient with our movements. Let's get a couple more. Yep. Yep. There you go.
Go, go, go. Faster? Yes. Do you need me to write it down or can we just say faster? Write it, okay. All right. Go, go, go. Push, push. Push, 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 push. Woo! Was this a 6? Yeah. Six, 3 to 4, 1. Faster. All right.
What?
Go, James, go. Push, 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 James, push. Push, push, push. Good. Whoop, I forgot to stop it, but it was less than 5. It was less than 5, it didn't stop, but I looked at it, it was under 5. And it was 5-1-3. What does this one say? 5-2-2-8?
I didn't have 5-2-8.
Nope, you had 5-1-3 and now you're less than 5. All right, ready? Go, 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 go. Woo! You shaved a second off of yours. 4-7-6. Go. Go, Elise, go. Push, push, push. All right. You all right? Is that a yes?
What is that? What?
You all right, Elise?
4.what?
4.04.
What?
4.04. Elise for the win.
What?
But everybody got faster.
Not sure when this footage is going to drop because it also depends on how the talks go. I had mentioned before that we had the potential to expand and to grow, and a lot of it, obviously, like anything, comes down to money. So